Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 6. Here, we will discuss and explain a little bit about mathematical logic. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Syifa Safira.
Hello, my name is Saveria Risanti Hutasoit.
Hi, my name is Amanda Octianingrum Khoiriah.
My name is Muhammad Lutfi Wildani.
Let's get to the point. Essentially, mathematical logic applies in our daily life and we use it often. But on this occasion, we will discuss and explain mathematical logic on composite statement, which is consists of conjunction, disjunction, implication, and biimplication.
First is conjunction. Conjunction is a statement formed by adding two statements with the connector and. The symbol for conjunction is like letter V like this, which can be read as and. When the statement P and Q are joined in a statement, the conjunction will be expressed symbolically as P conjunction Q. Now take a look to the truth table of conjunction. When P and Q are true, P conjunction Q is true. When P true and Q false, P conjunction Q is false. When P is false and Q is true, P conjunction Q is false. When both P and Q is false, P conjunction Q is false. Now take a look to the example. First is P. Snakes are carnivorous animals. Q is snakes don't have legs. P conjunction Q is snakes are carnivorous animal and snakes don't have legs. The violation of this sentence is true because P and Q are true. The second example is P. 19 plus 7 equals 26. Q is 28 times 11 not equal to 4. P conjunction Q is 19 plus 7 equals 26 and 28 times 11 not equal to 4. This violation of this sentence is true. The third example is P. 2 plus 2 is 24 and Q. 23 divided by 3 equals to 4. P conjunction Q is 2 plus 2 is 24 and 23 divided by 3 equals to 4. The violation of this sentence is false because both P and Q are false.
Next, disjunction. So now, what is it disjunction? The disjunction of two prepositions P and Q is denoted by PVQ or P or Q or P disjunct Q and is defined through its truth table. And now, how about that one? We have the truth table. There are P, Q, and P disjunct Q. If P as a hypothesis is true and Q as a conclusion is true, then if disjunct Q is true. And then if P true, Q false, so P disjunct Q is true. And then if P false and Q true, so P disjunct Q is true. But if P false and Q false, so P disjunct Q is false. So what we can see from there? The above truth table shows us that the disjunction PVQ or P or Q or P disjunct Q is false only when both disjuncts P and Q are false. Okay, let us move to an example. 1. P is 10 plus 10 is 20. Q 2 multiplying 4 is 10. The truth of P is true and the truth of Q is false. So PVQ is truth, V false is truth. So the answer is true. Okay, number 2. P is eating a burger or eating a pizza. Q not eating a burger and not eating a pizza. Eating a burger is A and eating a pizza is B because the truth of A and B is false. So the answer is for number 2 is false.
Okay, the next topic, implication. The implication in mathematical logic is a concept that describes the cause and effect relationship between two statements. Implication states that if the initial statement referred to as the hypothesis or incident is true, then resulting statement referred to as the conclusion or consequence must also be true. If the hypothesis not satisfied, the implication is still considered true. The symbol commonly used for implication is the right around on the price if blah blah blah, then to indicate the logical relationship between statements. Implication can also be expressed in the form of logical sentences. For example, if A and B are two statements, the implication A around B states that if A is true, then B must also be true. Here is the truth table for implication. So, the implication A around B states, then if statement A is true, then statement B must also be true. However, if A is false, the implication still holds true. Only in the case when A is true and B is false, the implication becomes false. The following is an example of the implication. First, if two odd numbers are multiplied, then the result is an odd number. True if both numbers are odd, their multiplication will result in an odd number. Thus, if a triangle has all angles that are right angles, then the triangle is a right triangle. False, this statement is reversed. The correct statement is if a triangle is a right triangle, then all of its angles are right angles.
The last one is biimplication. In mathematical logic, biimplication usually called if and only if link between two statements. Biimplication is related to what we've discussed before, that is implication. It's because biimplication consists of two words, that is bi and implication, which bi means two, so biimplication is statements that consists of two implication, which is if P and Q are statements, the biimplication would be implication of if P then Q and implication of if Q then P. That's why the symbol of biimplication is a row to the left and to the right. Next, the valuation or value of truth of biimplication. It can be seen on the following chart of truth. That biimplication would be true if P and Q, that are the two statements, have the same valuation or value of truth. It can be true or false. But biimplication would be false if P and Q have the different valuation or value of truth. To illustrate, let me give the example. This is the first example. That's the P statement is cow is a mammal, and the Q statement is cow has 4 legs. So the B implication of P and Q is cow is a mammal if and only if cow has 4 legs. This B implication is true. Why? Because P and Q have the same valuation or value of truth, which is P and Q is true. So B implication is true. We go to the second example. The P statement is 5 plus 5 is 10, and the Q statement is 5 is a even number. So the B implication of P and Q is 5 plus 5 is 10 if and only if 5 is an even number. This B implication is false. Why? Because P and Q has the different valuation or value of truth, which the P statement is true and the Q statement is false. So the B implication is false. Here the reference that we used to compile the material. It's a book from Sukirman with the title Logika dan Himpunan. Okay, since the material is over, so we leave our presentation. We apologize for our mistake during the video. Hopefully this video can be useful. That's it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.